Are you fond of unusual makeup? Would you like to learn how to make patterns on your lip balm or make a tasty scrub? Then a new compilation of our bold ideas is just for you. Are you a music lover? Show it with a cute EOS lip balm pattern. Carefully cut out earphones and a heart using a modeling knife. Any other thin knife or a needle will do as well. Melt beige tinted lip balm. Fill the earphones whole. Correct the shape. Melt pale pink lip balm for the heart. Correct the outline. You'll need a little time and patience to get a stunning result. This charming lip balm will show your friends that you are a keen music lover. Do you feel your lips have become too dry? You'll probably like a tasty idea of natural lip balm with Oreo cookies. Put a little Vaseline, beeswax, and cocoa butter in a cup. Crush an Oreo cookie with your fingers. Put it in a microwave for 30 seconds. Add Oreo in the melted mixture. Stir with a wooden stick. Pour it into an empty balm container. Let it cool in the fridge. The Oreo lip balm has a delicious smell and perfectly cares for your lips. I wish I could eat it! A cute ladybug-shaped lip balm will make you feel light and playful. Take apart an empty EOS container. Melt a piece of red lipstick. Pour it into the top. Let it cool in the fridge for about a half an hour. Take it out. It'll be the body of the ladybug. Place it onto a piece of plastic. Cut out a smaller part with a slightly bent piece of plastic. Put the body into the top again. Melt a piece of plain balm. Add black gel food coloring. It won't dye your lips. Mix it with a wooden stick. Pour the black balm into the empty part and let it cool. Press a drinking straw end against the ladybug's body to mark dots. Remove the excess with the modeling knife. Pour the black balm into the dot holes. The ladybug is ready. We're going to attach it to the container to prevent it from flying away. Put it in the middle part. Fill it with the melted colored balm. Let it cool in the fridge. Make it glossy. Melt the surface with a hairdryer. Perfect! Assemble the EOS container. This pretty little ladybug will help you apply a bright tone to your lips. Besides, this amazing lip balm will make you feel like summer with the fresh smell of green grass and the warm embrace of a sunbeam. Let's continue our experiments by making creative makeup for a photo shoot or a themed party. Start the makeup with a white pencil. Apply matte liquid lipstick of a bright red color on your lower lip and part of the upper one, except the white area. Now take black eyeliner. This time, we won't use it for our eyes. Draw the bug head. Add a borderline between the hard wings. Take a brush. Make black dots with its handle. Apply them on your bottom lip as well as on the top one. Draw the antenna using the eyeliner. Define the white part. You are ready for a themed party. You'll be the center of attention with this stunning ladybug makeup on your